So today this caught my eye and you can see why. Look at it, it's a thing of beauty. And it is of course the Lexus RC300H with that H standing for self-charging hybrid. And there's the link, because if you look at my other videos, I've got a RAV4, it's coming up to 4 years old. I was looking to sell it. The video I did, I rated it as the best car available for 20 grand or less. But then this caught my eye, and you know what happens when something catches my eye. I take you on a 4K walk to have a look. And the link between my RAV and this is under the bonnet. They both share the 2.5 litre Toyota self-charging hybrid, albeit this one's the other way around because it's rear-wheel drive only. The RAV, my RAV, is all-wheel drive. You can get it on front-wheel drive, hence why the RAV is that way. And talking to my RAV4, it still drives like brand new. You'll see in the video I did the other day. It's 4 years old and still drives amazing. This is 4 years older than mine. This is 8 years old. So I'm going to take this out for a road test later on. Come with me and we'll see how good this drives. It's sports. My obviously RAV4 is SUV. So let's see the difference, see how good this drives and see if this really is the contender for the best car for less than 20 grand. Yeah, so I spotted it. I saw the colour, I saw the 19-inch wheels, and then I saw the price. Less than 20 grand. So it is in the same category as my RAV. My RAV, you'll see from the video, go and have a look, it was booking at 20,059 quid. So you get this Lexus, bearing in mind these come with a 10-year warranty, this one is nearly 8 years old. 8 years old, but you still get 2 years manufacturer warranty. And have a look inside. This is the F Sport. It is quite incredible. Look at this, this is 8 years old. Less than 20 grand, you get all that. You've still got manufacturer's warranty, which, I'll point this out. Look, right, so you've got this. It goes forward, but then it goes forward on its own. But can you see how slow that is? It's great, but very slow. So if your kids are anything like mine, they'll be in there before that moves. But you ain't got to worry about that not working anymore because it's still under another 2 years manufacturer's warranty. While we're over this side though, let's just appreciate how good this looks for your 20 grand. 8 years old. I mean, this was way ahead of its time 8 years ago, wasn't it? Look at that. We'll have a look at this in a minute. It's got the F Sport buttons. But yeah, superb vehicle. This was well over the £40,000 threshold for what I call wealth tax, the 410 quid a year road tax. But this is 8 years old, so you only do it for the first 5 years. So this is cheap to tax now as well. So it's cheap to tax, it looks like that, and you're still under manufacturer's warranty. What's not to like? So let's go POV like we always do, and look at it in here. You do definitely get a sense of premium in here. Even though it's 8 years old, it just feels so nice and modern. You've got the sport button there, like I said, and before I forget, actually over here, you've got a control right there, which turns the sound. So when you put it into sport, it gives you like a V8 rev sound through the speakers inside your car. Quite incredible. They thought of everything back then. But yeah, this is what you're getting for less than 20 grand now. The F Sport RC300H. Is it a contender for beating my RAV for best car less than 20 grand? Let's have a further look and see what we think, because at the moment, this is a cracking car. And it still comes with the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty, so you have peace of mind. Oh, what have we got on that door? We've got memory set. I mean, it's got everything, hasn't it? It is a Lexus after all. Everything's electric. It's very nice in there. It's got the F Sport steering wheel. So if you're a person with no children, I think this would probably score quite high on the best car you can buy for less than 20 grand. I mean, come on, let's have a last walk round and have a look at, I mean, look at that. I mean, that is the same color as the Scarlet Flare. You'll see all my other videos. I looked at Scarlet Flare Toyota. I'm pretty sure that is the same Scarlet Flare you get on Toyotas. But come on, look at that. Such a good looking car in that color as well. It looks amazing. It really does. I mean, let's just stand and admire that in 4K. As usual, I'll take you on a 4K. Go and have a look at my other videos. I've looked at loads of cars. I don't know what to get. But this boot space, if you've got kids again, a little bit restricted, but it's very deep, but just restricted on its access. So push chairs and such like trying to get in there are probably not going to be the best idea for you. But if you're, like I said, not got kids, what a cracking looking car. What a cracking looking car. I'll have one more look over it. I mean, come and look how well trimmed it is. So let's take this up the road for a quick drive to see how this Lexus compares with my Toyota. Like I said, this is a few years older than my RAV, but still feels very modern and new in here. So let's see if that correlates back onto the road and see if it still drives like it did when it was new, which is what my RAV done. If you go and see my video, my RAV still drives like new. It's done 54,000 miles, it's 4 years old, still drives like new. I'm expecting this too, so let's go and find out. Right, I've got you bolted on as best I can over on the side to try and give you the best POV experience without strapping a GoPro to my head like I've seen some people do, because I don't really fancy driving down the road with a GoPro strapped to my head. So, hopefully that is smooth on that. Hopefully you're getting a smooth picture through that camera, because this is driving like a Lexus. It's very smooth. Has it got any poke up this hill? I think you can just about hear as well. I've got that speaker system on as well, which gives you a slight roar as it revs up. But yeah, it drives as I would expect. It's a little bit notchy if I was going to say anything critical, because obviously I'm compared to a RAV4 with big tyres and all-wheel drive and SUV sort of driving style. This is a little bit more sports. So yeah, I'm not actually used to sports, so this is a little bit different. It's very smooth. It's got, you might have been able to hear that then, it's got the roar noise that comes through the speaker. It picks up nicely. It's got the sports suspension, it's got the sports wheels, although you're not feeling a too hard ride. I think you could probably hear me quite well because it's not that loud in here either that you'd expect from like a sports two-door coupe. Most of them are quite noisy. So yeah, would I drive this? Definitely. I would definitely drive this car. It's got a very nice road presence. Admittedly, I'm feeling quite low down compared to what I normally do, but yeah, it does open up very well. It sounds nice. It holds the road well. I've got the hands in the right positions. What is it, 10 to 2? Is that right? Am I in the right position here? 10 to 2. But yeah, I'm just going to give it a little drive down the road, see what I think. At the moment, it's very not. I mean, this is 8 years old. 8 years old. Incredible. It still drives like I expected, like my RAV does. My RAV's 4 years old. My RAV still drives very, very well. I think then you heard the sound, you must have done. I'll play it back, but I'm pretty sure you heard the roar from that, like I mentioned earlier, that speaker system that plays like a V8 roar into the cab. It's quite something, it really is. It puts a smile on your face, which admittedly most EVs, hybrid engines don't, whereas this does. So if you're, like I said, got no kids, you want to put a smile on your face yet still do 50 plus miles to the gallon, this would be the car for you. Less than 20 grand, cheap to tax, what's not to like? So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that little video of this find today. If you did, please do give it a like. It'll help my channel immensely. I'm just putting a few on this year of what I've seen. Actually, I looked at a car show at the weekend. Go and have a look at that video. There's some incredible cars at the car show I viewed at the weekend. And while I was in Farnham, I also looked around the castle. A lot of people don't even know it's there, but go and have a look at that, because at the end I'll show you the castle in 4K. And it's really incredible, and it's free to go and have a look around. So go and have a look at that video. Have a look at my other videos of me and my RAV trying to sell it, trying to buy something else. I looked at this. For me, it's no, because I've got kids. If you haven't got kids, this is a great car. Less than 20 grand. Let's just enjoy the drive back now. I'll stop waffling on. It's a nice day. Definitely a thumbs up for me on the drive. Very smooth. Still drives like new. 8 years old. Still got manufacturer's warranty. There's nothing to dislike really apart from them rear seats, the space if you've got kids. But if you haven't got kids, it's not an issue, is it? But anyway, thanks for watching the video and have a great day. I'll see you again soon. In the daylight, you can see, look, it's stunning, isn't it? Come on, for less than 20 grand. It's a thoroughly recommended car. For me, it's a no because of obviously the kids situation, but if you've got no kids, what a cracking car you can buy nowadays for 20 grand or less.